You won't believe what I've got in my hands today. A gadget straight from the future that'll make your every inspection a breeze. The Daxiongmao Borescope. Think spy-level tech for every nook and cranny in your home. Let's dive into why this little beast stands out. Picture this: 1080 PhD visuals showcasing the grimy insides of your pipes like never before. It's like having X-ray vision. And our pal here isn't afraid of getting wet. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it's more than ready to dive into your plumbing adventures, splash and all. The real hero? A whopping 50-foot snake cable that's flexible yet firm, sliding into those hidden crevices with ease. No more disassembling the kitchen sink or risking life and limb reaching into engine parts. Just bend, twist, and rock and roll. Did I mention the 8 adjustable LED lights? They're here to brighten the darkest of corners, from your car's engine to those terrifying attic spaces. Skip the Bluetooth dramas. It's as simple as switch on and inspect. It's a painless tech miracle for the non-techies among us. Ready to become the master inspector in your home? Check out the link in the description to unlock your secret agent dreams. Adventure awaits with the Daxiongmao Borescope.